Alright guys, so as you can see, I got a new tool for you guys. It's an M12 3/8 crown stapler. Yeah, that's a tongue twister. Crown stapler. So let's crack it open. So the biggest thing about M12s is their compactness. So, and as you guys can see, this is very compact. So yeah, I mean, feels nice in the hand, and we'll see exactly how it performs. I guess you got your toggles. I'm actually planning on using this to redo the seat on my Suzuki quad. So yeah, we'll get you a little. I'll get you some footage of that. So stay tuned.